And we're going to do just a little filler right into that marionette. 1, 2, 3, here we go. And there's different types of fillers to be used in different locations. This one is a great one for this area. You can see how that marionette's just popping up right there. Sometimes you need 1 syringe, sometimes you need more than that, a little higher, 1, 2, 3, la la la. So it just depends on the results you're looking for. But nice. And then let's do a little bit right up in that corner. 1, 2, 3. I use a lot of cannula, and today we are doing a needle. This area loves to bruise, so hopefully we haven't done that on you. Okay, let's ice that side. That looks great. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I like it. And you'll know that's what's important. It's all about me. All right. So let's go. We're going to start up at the top instead. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Happy New Year. Here we go. A little bit of love up there. And oftentimes we're asymmetric, so sometimes we need to put more filler on one side than the other. A lot of times it's the left side that's a little bit more wrinkled because of the driver's side window, but it also depends on what side you sleep on too. Unless you're a back sleeper, and then that's fantastic. Everybody should try to be back sleepers. So let's just go a little bit more into this spot here. But the filler that we're using is a high hyaluronic acid filler, and that is the same type of material that we have in our skin to begin with, but we have a main enzyme that eats it up. So all we're doing is replacing hyaluronic acid that we lost. So it's nothing that's unnatural. This filler can last anywhere from 9 months to a year. And again, easy to get done. So let's just do one more over here. These oral commissures really are tough sometimes. 1, 2, 3. There is lidocaine in there, so it gets a little easier when you come back in for a second time, or a third time if you need to poke again. But what I'm going to do is just kind of mold it for a minute.
Don't forget this one too.
Yeah, I'm going to get that with the other filler. We'll do that. The one that I used for Marionette's is a little thicker, so it wouldn't look good down there. Okay, open for me for a sec, and I'm just going to go in here. We're just going to mold it. There's really no contraindications to filler. I haven't seen any allergic reactions to filler. Sometimes people can bruise from filler because it is a needle, but the results we like. We have a bruise prevention protocol, and so you can find that on our website under patient information. So that's helpful. It says, avoid certain types of medications and things prior to this procedure. Also, arnica tablets are helpful. So if you could start taking those a couple days ahead of time, that will diminish the risk of bruises. And then, as I say, bruises are always complimentary, so we never charge for those. So if you do get bruised, you're welcome. If they will make you make collagen. I don't think you're going to bruise today, so let's knock on wood.
Good.
And yeah, that looks great. So if you enjoyed the video, please share it and come and see us at Rejuvenation MD.